open up Photoshop. Bring up the image you want. We're going to cut out the background of the white. Click on this tool right here, the quick selection tool. You're going to hit the plus sign. Start selecting the white area because that's our area we're getting rid of. See how it made a section? So you're going to go ahead and hit delete, and then we're not going to worry about the contents. We're going to leave it as white. We're going to hit OK. It's going to delete that. You're going to come over here and we're going to select this other area. We're going to cut that out. We're going to hit delete again, and that's going to delete that. And then we're going to hit this area. See how it selects it? We're going to delete that. And then we're going to get this area and see how it deletes it. Get this little area here. You hit OK. So now the key is to right click on the background and select layer from background. Hit OK. So now hit delete again, and there you go. That is your image as a vector image. So when you save it, just save it to whatever file you want and keep it as a PSD file, so when you open up your files or a new program in Photoshop, drag and drop that into a file and upload that picture into whatever it is you're working on.